this is. This is an alarm. This alarm is found on these GY350-9a scooters. This connector right here would start the bike. However, this motorcycle specifically does not start on remote. So it doesn't start it. What I did a long time ago, when I had one of those JONWAY's scooter, because these alarm also drains the battery. So as you can see here, there is two sides, right? There is let me see, black for me is negative, red for me is positive. If I'm using two white, that means this wire is connecting to each other. And if I'm using two yellow, that means these are my signal lights. So here you can see I have six wires here because one connects to each other and everything else gets eliminated. And you have here, this is only for the positive, the negative, and my signal lights. So I made this little harness just so I can disable the starting feature on this. I've always had one of these, and whenever I buy this alarm, after I install it, I always create another one. This would be the bike's alarm switch. It doesn't come with an alarm, and it also doesn't have all of them. It has 6 wires, right? Let me see here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, yeah, red is always positive. Green here, red is always positive. Green here is negative. And signal lights are always light blue and orange. I don't know what this white and black is. It might be the key switch, but it shouldn't start it. Maybe you would. Let me try it first and see if it starts, then disconnect the feature. I'm gonna try and start the bike to see if it starts. Here we go. Doesn't do anything. It turns the fuel on though. Yeah, because you see after the white and black, which is one of the coil, there should be a pink wire, which I don't see it on that. So it's not gonna start the bike. That's it. Now this thing is hard to remove. I hope I don't mess up the wiring. Okay, I'm going to use this. Because I need the alarm to be connected over there, and this will serve as an extra loop, like an extension, just so I can join the wiring when I made the mount on the other side. So it's already done. Now take notes, right? So this is where the skill comes in. This is the fuse. That's a 14 amp, 15 amp fuse. Bike should have 15 amp because it would charge to 14 amp. Alright, this point on, I'm gonna connect these. Alright, right now the bike is armed. Hear that? It's armed. So, the goal here is to connect it like this. But this one also needs to be on here. Alright? So I'm gonna have one of these. I know this is dirty. I know you think that the adhesive won't last long. But that's not the case because I'm also going to secure it with some screws. Even though literally doing that, I messed up my box. But the sacrifice is worth it. If the screw stays in, if it stays in, which it will, there should be no leak on my air whatsoever. And if there is a leak, there's always a filter inside. So this is where the air goes in. So if I poke extra hole, I just give the engine a little bit more air to work even better. Ready in, because I know how these things are. I have to make it to 3. All right, first screw's in. Now these things are not supposed to be tempered with on and off, so this is gonna stay here permanent, like forever. Connect it somewhere else. Let's see around here. Right, top. Will that get in conflict with anything? Absolutely not. Do I like it over there? Doesn't bother me. I'm gonna try to be. Right. So when water gets in it, goes down. It's always on the side, you never put it on the top. Two more screws. Okay. Not sure if you see this here. So, this is how it's installed. If I ship this bike from the factory and I work there, and the customer asks me for an alarm, and I give the customer an alarm, they will think that the bike comes with the alarm. Because I work like a pro all the time. See the extra wiring? See, it's perfectly sitting on top of the box, meaning that it's not getting any engine heat. And the alarm comes with the wiring already wrapped up and sealed, so I don't have to do any work from there. All I'll have to do is create this thing right here. See that? That's a positive. It's very thick. It's about 22 gauge. Yeah, might be 22 gauge. So let's see if in case about the bike gets shocked and goes here, it only connects with the plastic. So that's a perfect installation right there. So now here's what's going on. This is arm. This is on arm. Now I'm a thief. I don't have the key. It's a nice bike. I have my vent park over there. I got 3 guys. I want to steal this. Come on, move it. Some odd reason. There we go. That was a warning. Next one goes wee, 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 wee. I guess it needs to make some kind of vibration from one of the metals. Otherwise, when you move it from the rubber, it doesn't detect it. Yeah.